Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and today I am going to be talking about the Nike Calm Mule Slides. I got them in two colors, so let's get into it. I got them in the sanddrift colorway, and I got them in the just the regular black. First initial thoughts, this shoe is hard. The make of this shoe is hard. It's not comfortable just off of touching it. I really was excited for the black, but I don't really like them all like that. I wish that the black would have had more of a different black Nike check, because if you see on the cream ones, you can make out the Nike logo, and I feel like you gotta really where is it at? You gotta really see where it's at. But I wanted to make this video because I've seen people going crazy over the pink colorway. I'm not personally a pink girl. I tried the pink on. I did not like the pink. I saw that they had other colors, so I was just like, let me see. So I think that this color eats, right? This is my favorite one. So I will start with the sizing. The 7 feels like I have on a 6. It's very tight around the upper, what would be considered the toe box, and the sole is very hard. I could see them being house shoes. I do not see me being I'm gonna put these on and I'm gonna go out. But as far as how the shoe looks, I feel like it eats. It's so cute. What? I love the cream colors. This eats down. I like to show both shoes together. It just gives a little bit more. So on the heel tab, it says Nike, and it has a Velcro strap. I like it. The strap, everything, it just feels so soft. It's really cute. It reminds me of the UGG slippers. It's just no dimension in them. I wanted to love these so freaking bad. I wanted to say oh, these the ones. I was yeah, I'm probably not gonna like the cream. I'm probably just gonna keep the black. I love the cream and not the black, which is different for me. But yeah, you can't even really make out the Nike check. You really have to look at it. Same thing. Sole is uncomfortable. You know, toe box is kind of hard. It doesn't feel like a comfortable shoe to really lounge in, honestly. But I do love the concepts. Would I keep these shoes? No, I'm actually going to take them back. But I wanted to make this video for anybody who's I have to have these. These are extremely uncomfortable. You want them for the aesthetic, you need to size up. And they don't have half sizes. So if you are a 7, get an 8. If you are an 8, get a 9. Which is really so annoying, but I guess it's just different. I guess that's how they size the mules. So I don't know. So yeah, let's get into seeing them on feet, okay? If you're willing to look past the uncomfortability of these shoes, then I suggest that you go ahead and you get them. Please size up. These shoes are also on sale. They're $45. They're originally $60. If I had to choose between the pink, the black, and the cream, I would literally say get the cream. It's the most versatile. It's the cutest. Yeah, that's what I would say. Get this off of here. And okay, they also shed. Be some shedders. But yeah, here's them you know, just together. Just for some contrast. Yeah, this eats. If you want to see them on foot, you can go on my TikTok, you can go on my Instagram. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope that this is informative if you are trying to get these shoes. And yeah, just be on the lookout for more reviews. And you know,